Advancements in technology, especially in addressing the challenge of food security, are usually accompanied by some wranglings. In the case of the adoption of genetically modified technology, a fundamental question plagues both those in the biotech and the agrochemical industry, and sometimes extends to nations with vested interest in the sector. How do you tackle food security using biotech without compromising on health and safety of persons and the environment?
All we are saying.
That's the answer this group seeks as they raise their voices in opposition to the introduction of GMOs in Nigeria.
These GMO foods, when you plant it, they don't self-proliferate. That means when it grows, you cannot take those seeds and plant them again. You have to go back to these companies and buy it. Now, those inputs are priced in dollars. So you are giving up your food sovereignty by adopting this technology.
At the heart of the objection is the alleged deficiencies in the National Biosafety Act of 2015, which establishes the National Biosafety Management Agency, charged with the responsibility of providing regulatory framework for safety measures.
Want National Assembly to abolish that law that set up the National Biosafety Management Agency, or at the very least, critically review it to remove all the ambiguities.
If somebody is going about saying the agency is not good, you have not even visited the agency to find out, to ascertain their level of preparedness or what they have on ground. You are talking about a law that took more than 15 good years to come into being, and you are saying the law is not good. Are they looking for a state where there is no law?
As an arbiter in this matter, the Senate assures Nigerians of safety for all, even as it insists anyone with objections to the Biosafety Act can seek redress through appropriate quarters.
We all put our heads together, work together, whether it's a question of changing the law altogether or modifying the law altogether. We'll be in contact with you, and as we move along, we'll see what will be necessary.
For the companies promoting the use of genetically modified organisms and the agencies in charge of regulating their activities, striking that balance and ensuring that food security is attained remains the fundamental question. From the National Assembly, Ahmed Ambali, NTA News.